Yeah, you can ride it tomorrow outside and go for a long way.
Daddy and Patience can take turns.
It's supposed to be warmer tomorrow, but it might rain.
Kim. This ain't like down in there.
Gma told me.
Huh?
Gma told me
Told you what?
that it's going to rain.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
You're gonna fall, little man.
Yeah, shut the off.
5.
He patted it. You see? He patted his tractor, Jeff.
What do you do?
He patted it. Like, that's a good boy. Look how he's checking it out.
No! He's messing with
Josh,
it.
get back.
I'm trying to get that in there.
He took that. He's messing with it.
He's checking it out. Let him check it out. Whoa! Who
Did
did
you
that?
do that?
Yeah.
Did Wyatt do that?
Yeah.
Wyatt, you just about ran over Gamble.
Wyatt likes this. How come Wyatt can drive this out? So I will see you guys watching him, Kim.
It's done.
Kim. Tomorrow Wyatt can ride this outside with you guys with Jeff watching
Yeah.
him. Can want me to turn his head around?
Well, let him play on it for a little while. What'd you take his head off for?
Turn it around.
Sit
No.
down, boy.
No. I'm sorry. No. Wyatt. Don't. Wyatt. Press the pedal. Don't.
Oh, he's gonna sit on the hood.
Ah, we don't do that.
He's gonna look sexy on his tractor, Jeff. Look.
Yeah, don't say that. No, that's too much.
Kinsey.
Wow. Look at it.
Can I play your game? Is this yours?
What is that? I see your butt.
Kim, her knobby's getting ready to fall. Yeah, right behind her.
Wyatt.
Caitlin, your knobby's getting ready to fall.
No, hers in the bedroom.
Who's this, Caitlin?
Yeah, because I didn't want to do it.
There she goes. She's going to drop it on somebody. Put it back down over there. Put it on that white table.
No. Wyatt went on. Wyatt.
You like it, Wyatt? You know you gotta share with Colton.
Where's Colton?
He ain't seen it yet.
Wyatt going to sleep.
You wanna drive it? Tell Josh help you go backwards.
How do you need it?
Sit down.
Oh.
Go backwards for him, Josh. Wait a minute, he's getting off again. He wants to get,
Oh.
he likes to step, I guess. What are you doing to it?
He wants to get on the hood. Whoa.
What the heck? Jeff, look at him. He's checking it completely out.
Yeah, he's going to work on it.
Is he gonna work on it, Wyatt?
Oh boy. Uh-oh. He found the motor.
Oh, he did find the motor.
It's it right there.
Kim,
What?
shut it off a minute.
Hang on.
No, really.
Really? Wait a minute. Let me-
Kim.
What, Josh?
This needs to be down so this don't raise up.